Welcome back, guys. Steve, Almetal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my periscope. It's great. Takes the place of the flex hose behind your dryer back straight in. Matter of fact, there's one on this house I'm about to show you. I lost a little bit of footage. It's okay, man. But goes down into the crawl space. Originally installed in 2012. Like I told you guys, I've been doing this for a while. Installed in 2012. I haven't been back since. Watch. Kind of document what's going on. You know what I mean? Burning smell. I don't like the burning smell. Better airflow than I expected, Stacy. Yep. So there's the elbow that it kicks and goes vertical. And that's in the periscope itself. Guys, please hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I like to think you get some value out of this. And I'm trying to grow the audience. I'm picking up more and more sponsors. I'm going to show you more about those here in the next coming videos. But again, please hit the like button and subscribe. It doesn't cost you $1 to subscribe. Yeah, why is that darn extension not there? That's weird. And guys, the reason I'm bringing up that exhaust extension is because I want you guys to understand why there's so much dust and lint back behind the dryer. Not to mention it's been since 2012. Forget all that. The exhaust extension, the piece of metal that plugs into the back of the periscope itself, had been removed. He eventually told me we had some work done on our washing machine and the guy came and did some stuff to the dryer too. I don't know. I believe you. Oh, absolutely, I believe you, but that's just weird.
Yeah, I was looking at your website and I saw the mention of an extension on the crimp in and I went, huh, I don't think we got one of those.
Yeah, something's going on here. All right, I got to make it a little dusty. It's going to get, it's got to get a little worse before it gets better, man. All right, let's clean up some back here. We've got all the goodies. Goodness. That way when I blow this out, it doesn't blow this all over the place. All right, so the gentleman wants me to go underneath and just inspect, and what I'm doing, I'm leaving that blower going. That way I can see any place. And look, there's where the old dryer vent used to go out. There's the downdraft. Oh no, that's a HVAC. I thought it was a downdraft for a second. Shit. Boy, this house is all kind of jacked up. Ha! Get it? Jacked up. I'm sorry, I stopped. All right, there we go. And I have to take some pictures for him, but that looking great still. All right, so I'm gonna hit resealed that connection. We got a good duct. Y'all see that grass flapping? All right, I can get used to crawl spaces like this, boys and girls. I ain't gonna lie to you. Ugh. But look at all these jacks. Holy cow. And that's on one side. You got the same on that side. All right, uh-oh, how do I get out of here? I'm lost. It ain't that way. Go to the right. Oh, man. All right. Blinded by the light. Feet per minute. No, that's miles per hour. Shoot, it's moving at 24 miles an hour. That's pretty darn good. Unit feet per minute. Oh. 2106. Yeah, 2106.
Really good.
That's picture of that. Look at that. 2106. 2106, guys. That's amazing. Those are numbers that I would expect if the dryer backed up to that outside wall. You guys saw how far that's going down. Also, for all the naysayers, it's going into a periscope as well. So not only is it going into a periscope, it's going into the crawl, down, making those turns, coming up, going all the way out. Still hitting 2106. So, almetaldryervent.com. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Wow, you've exceeded all my expectations. So, please like, share, and subscribe. Subscribing, it doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't cost you a dime. It just shows the algorithm. So I guess that's what they tell me. I use a hammer. So, all right, till next time, guys. See you.